Welcome back to my channel. For over 1,000 years, Japanese women have used a hair ritual so powerful, it could make your hair visibly stronger, shinier, and thicker, overnight. And the best part? It's backed by science, but almost nobody outside Japan knows the full truth. The forgotten, Yusuru water technique. Most people have heard of fermented rice water, but in Japan's Heian period, women used Yusuru water, the first rinse from washing polished rice, stored in cedar barrels. Cedar infused the water with cedrol, a natural compound that reduces DHT, the hormone linked to hair thinning. This water was left at room temperature for 24 hours, creating amino acids and inositol that repair damaged hair shafts. The secret power of Camellia japonica oil. This golden oil isn't just for shine. It's rich in omega-9 oleic acid with a molecule size small enough to penetrate the hair cortex, something coconut oil can't do as effectively. It strengthens hair from the inside, repairing split ends and preventing breakage. Japanese women massaged it into the scalp at night for deeper absorption. Balancing the scalp microbiome. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Traditional Japanese rinses included ume-su, plum vinegar diluted in water, to keep scalp pH around 4.5. Modern research now proves that this acidic pH prevents harmful bacteria growth and keeps follicles active. Seasonal hair care rituals. Japanese women adjusted their routines with the seasons. Winter, more camellia oil massages to fight dryness. Summer, matcha green tea rinses for natural UV protection and antioxidants. The amino acid repair timeline. Rice water proteins bind to hair within 20 minutes, but complete amino acid repair takes 48 hours. That's why they repeated the ritual every 3 days, not daily, to let the hair fully absorb nutrients. And now, as a bonus secret, let me share with you a DIY Japanese-inspired mask you can try at home. DIY Japanese hair mask, Camellia oil mask. 2 tablespoons Camellia japonica oil, deeply nourishes hair, traditional Japanese secret. 1 tablespoon rice water, strengthens roots, boosts shine. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, hydrates and soothes scalp. 1 teaspoon honey, locks in moisture and smooths frizz. Yogurt deeply nourishes hair with proteins, repairs damage, and makes strands smooth and manageable. 2 tablespoons boiled rice, adds natural keratin-like protein, smooths strands. First, boil rice and let it cool. Take 2 tablespoons of soft boiled rice. Add yogurt and blend together until it forms a creamy, smooth paste. Mix in rice water, aloe vera gel, honey, and Camellia japonica oil. Stir well until all ingredients are combined into a thick, creamy mask. Apply from scalp to hair ends, massaging gently. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Result: hair becomes silky, smooth, frizz-free, and nourished just like after a salon keratin treatment, naturally and safely. Homemade keratin cream. 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, natural keratin booster, smooths hair cuticles. 1 tablespoon shea butter, deep conditioning, reduces breakage. 1 tablespoon coconut oil, strengthens and repairs damage. 1 capsule vitamin E oil, adds shine and reduces split ends. Melt shea butter slightly, if solid. Mix it with aloe vera gel, coconut oil, and vitamin E until it forms a creamy texture. Apply a small amount evenly to damp hair, focusing on the ends. Leave overnight or at least 2 hours, then wash with a gentle shampoo. Result: works like a natural keratin treatment, making hair smooth, shiny, and strong without chemicals. This isn't just a beauty hack, it's 1,000 years of wisdom backed by modern science. Try the Yusuru water and Camellia oil ritual tonight, and by morning, your hair will feel like it's been reborn. Thank you for watching.